In this video, we will start with the next mechanism of a systems programming, that is known as a assembler. Before going directly to the assembler, we will cover some small topics that are: first is nothing but what is a language. Language is nothing but a media of communication. Computer understands only machine language. Machine language is nothing but a combination of zeros and ones. Computer executes the machine language programs. Machine language programs contain the machine language instructions to accomplish certain tasks. Means that are nothing but the binary patterns. Though computer's internal architecture only understand the language in terms of the machine level or machine languages, but there are some limitations. Means there are some advantages and some disadvantages associated with these machine level languages. So first of all, we will list out which are the different advantages and which are the different disadvantages by using the machine level language programs. So first of all, we will list out the machine level language programs advantages. First one is that these programs are compact and small. Means they are very little bit coding required to accomplish any task using the machine level language. They requires the less memory, so that each and every programmer can take care the each and every bits and bytes of the program. Next advantage is nothing but it requires less time. Means the programming tasks are very less time consuming. Means it requires less time for executions. And the last advantage behind using the machine level language programs are nothing but these language programs are suitable for low volume applications, small simple programs where the prototype is the final product. Means there are direct executions are available for such programs. Now, though these are the some advantages or the different advantageous features of the machine level language, there are some disadvantages also presents there of the machine level language. So, which are the different disadvantages of the machine level language programs? First one is these programs are difficult to understand or debug. Difficult to understand and debug is nothing but the code which we are using to write our program are having very difficult in meaning, and plain user cannot get the detailed idea. So he or she will not be able to write the programs very easily or very efficiently. So these programs are very difficult to understand. Next disadvantage is nothing but why these programs are difficult to understand, because they are written in binary pattern and human mind does not remember or mind is not supported to analyze or remember the things in terms of only number coding. These languages easily understood by machine's internal architecture, but from human point of view or user point of view, it is not that much easy task. It is difficult to understand. Second disadvantage is that the programs are slow to enter, since the user must enter each bit individually. For example, you have to write the code for addition, then you have to write, for example, it is not like exactly that, but for example, he or she will have to keep in mind the instructions in form of these numbers, then for example such number format. So it is much more difficult task and it is slower to write. It does not describe the task in detail. Means the programs do not describe the task which you want to perform in anything resembling a human level format. Okay, so it is not a task describing function. The programs are long and tiresome to write because you have to use the combination of a binary patterns means 0 and 1 to write the different instructions in the machine level languages. So these are long and tiresome to write. The programmers often makes careless errors. Though human mind is capable of store and capable to remember many things, but there are some limitations available with his or her mind. So there may be some careless errors which will not be easily found out. Then next and the last disadvantage while using the machine level languages are nothing but these programs are not portable. What is the mechanism behind the portability? Portable means write anywhere and run anywhere. What does this mechanism tells us that? If you are using one particular machine for developing any code, then this code can be taken out on another machine and can easily be executable by that machine. This is known as the portability. But this feature is not supported by the machine level language programs. So these are the two comparison or comparing factor of the machine level language programs. Though the computer's internal architecture understand only the programs in terms of the machine level language, these are some advantages and disadvantages. So what actually a developer or the user does, he or she will shift to the next mechanism which is much more easier and much more supported by the machines. So such a mechanism is nothing but the assembly level language programs. So assembler is nothing but one of a tool which gives us the facility to user to write the codes in a language known as the assembly level language. So what is the assembly level language? Assembly level language is nothing but the sequence of mnemonics. What are the mnemonics? Sequence of mnemonics. Mnemonics are nothing but the plain English terms having the meaningful names. So assembly level languages uses these mnemonics. So we will list out some advantages of assembly level language. First of that, it is a mnemonics or a memory joggers which should describe in some way what the instruction does. Means it compares itself with the machine instruction and having the much more simpler and much more easier understandable meaningful names. Next is it is easy to understand and debug. As they are having the meaningful names, then human mind does not have any stress to remember that like of the machine level language. So he or she can easily remember the mnemonics, so it is easy to understand and debug. And next one is it is fast to enter. What is the disadvantage of the machine level language? That is their code. User has to write each and every bit and byte, so they are slow to enter. But after overcoming this disadvantage, the assembly level language instructions are fast to enter. Though each and every language has a much more advantages, but there can be a little bit disadvantages behind these languages. So we will list out which are the different disadvantages of the assembly level language. First disadvantage is nothing but it requires the assembler. As we know that these are the not portable languages, means if you write code on some specific machine, then you have to run your code on that particular machine also. So it is a disadvantage. But the same disadvantage comes with the assembly level language. These languages are not also portable. Means the machine having the assembler can only execute your program or that language. So both the languages has a not portable option. It requires the assembler. Without assembler you cannot do anything. Next, detailed knowledge. What does this means? The programmer must have detailed knowledge of the architecture of a particular microprocessor. As these languages are dependent on a specific machine or they are sticky to any specific machine, the programmer have to understand or can have the detailed knowledge of that machine structure. So this is a much more difficult task to understand the detailed knowledge of any machine architecture. Next is the knowledge of a structure. Means user, he or she has, if he or she has the detailed knowledge of that structure, means how to start, where to stop, how to add etc. things in that mechanism, then he or she can easily write down that code. So these are much more difficult tasks from the user point of view. So these are some comparing factors between assembly level language and machine level languages. Though assembly level languages having the some disadvantages, but they are much more easier than the machine level language programs. So in this chapter we will cover all the detailed knowledge or the structures, mnemonics, memory joggers about the assembler, which we have to apply to write any code while designing any simple programs or simple machines. So this is all about the basic architecture of the assembly. Thank you so much.